Imagine the early morning serenity over Africa's vast rivers and lakes, disrupted only by the masterful hunter, the African fish eagle. Hovering above the water, its keen eyes spot a flicker beneath the surface. In that moment, time seems to stand still. Its technique, honed over millennia, combines speed, sight, strength, and unparalleled agility. With precision, it descends, powerful yellow talons poised. The water erupts as talons meet prey, a testament to unrivaled skill. Witnessing the African fish eagle in action is not just observing nature, it's experiencing the raw beauty of an ancient ballet of survival. Even as it soars back to its perch, fish in grasp, it calls out, a triumphant echo heralding its prowess across the water.